Hello dear students, I am back with the rest part of your chapter light, okay, from your book. So here we will deal with further what we have done earlier. If you remember, in earlier video or in earlier class, we have talked about what makes things visible, what is reflection of light, and lateral inversion, laws of reflection, and how we can use the characteristic of reflection of light in different forms, in different instruments like periscope and kaleidoscope. What we have seen in kaleidoscope, that it makes a colorful pattern. Okay, so what makes this colorful pattern? What brings light colors in our life? These are the questions. So from where these colors are coming? This is the sunlight which makes the world colorful. The sunlight which appears white to us, actually it is a combination of colors. Are you surprised? No, beta. Just see the droplets of water or the droplets of soap water. Have you find colors over there? Yes. You might have also noticed that if in your window the glass is broken, the broken side looks colorful. So from where the color is coming? You have not applied colors. So from where the colors are coming? These colors are coming from sunlight. Yes, sunlight has 7 colors. Okay. So now you can say that why it is not visible. Actually, these colors have different wavelengths, so they bend whenever they fall upon an angle. Okay, then only they get separated. Otherwise, when they blend together, they form white. Okay, and these colors, 7 colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red with Gior. Okay, fine. And these arrangement of colors means red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. This is known as spectrum. Where you have seen these colors? Remember? Yes, in rainbow. Okay, and this phenomena of splitting of light is called dispersion of light. Fine. Okay, so is it clear? You can find more examples of dispersion of light here. Now see, this is a prism which you can find in lab. This is CD which you use, rainbow you see, and from the glasses. After this, let's talk about the thing which makes things visible for us, means the organ which we use to see the things, and this is eye. So we should know the structure of eye. What is the structure of eye? This much we know, that it is a ball like structure. Okay, it is a ball like structure. Now you find out different parts of eye. Now you will see this is the part which we can see from outside, and this is inside. Okay, this is inside which is not visible to us. This chamber is known as vitreous chamber, and it remains filled with a fluid. Fine. Now here you can see in our eye, this portion is called pupil. This is lens, and this is iris, and here it remains filled with lacrimal fluid. This we call limbus, and these are muscles, ciliary muscles. Okay, fine. And this is the lens, and here at the back you can find out this is retina where images are formed, and these are the nerves which take messages from eye to our brain, and these are known as optic nerves. And the place from where the nerves come out is called blind spot. Right? Okay, let's see function of each part of eye. Now we will come from outside. First of all, we will talk about cornea. Cornea, actually, this is the transparent covering which is present outside of eyes. Okay, and tear fluid that comes from there only, to protect our eyes. Second is this iris. What is this iris? This is, you can say, small opening from which it is a dark colored structure, okay, which is present at the center of cornea. Okay. Cornea is visible from outside. You can see a dark colored structure in eye, that is our iris. Okay, and it has pupil. Pupil is the small opening through which light enters. Okay, it is the small opening through which light enters and falls upon the lens. Right? You might have noticed that when we go in sun, okay, and come inside a dark room, we are not able to see anything, because when we go in sun, what happens? Our pupil, this opening becomes small to protect our eye lens from sunlight. Okay, so when we enter into dark, less amount of light enters into our eye and we are not able to see anything. But after some time, this pupil expands and more amount of light enters, then we become able to see the things. Fine. And this is the lens through which light passes and forms image on cornea. Okay, so from here light passes and forms image on cornea. Fine. And when the image is formed on cornea, this message is given to optic nerves. It comes into brain, which analyzes, and then we become able to see everything. Okay, now see, it is description of each part. Cornea, it is a transparent covering present on the outer side of the eye. It consists of 6 layers. Tear fluid covers cornea and protects the eye. Iris, the image which is formed on the retina, persists for 1/16th of the second. It is a dark color muscular structure present in the center of cornea. Iris consists of a small opening called pupil, through which the light enters into the eye. The iris has colorful pigments called gray, blue, black, green, brown, etc. The amount of light that enters the eye is controlled by iris. In other words, iris controls the pupil. And lens is, it is like a shape of liquid present inside our eye. The eye lens is located behind pupil, which helps in the formation of an image in eye. And then retina, it is a layer located behind the lens at the back of the eye. The eye lens focuses light that enters into eye over the retina. Retina consists of different nerve cells which perform different tasks. There are sensory cells that detect light. Okay, and it has 2 types of cells, rod cells, okay, or chopsticks. They see dim light, okay, dim light, and cones, they react with bright light and sense colors also. If cones are not present, we will be not able to see colors of light. Now the vitreous chamber that has been shown. Okay, now blind spot, I have shown you in the diagram, blind spot, and just remember here no image forms. Fine. So this is all about structure of eye. Okay, now one thing is there, this one image is forming in our eye, so why we are able to see the movement of things. Okay, so just remember, the image of one object remains for 1/16 seconds on retina. Okay, so that's why if you try 16 still images in 1 second, the image will appear to be moving to you. Okay, and this characteristic is used in pictures or animation which we see. You can try it at home. Just make a bird and a cage. Okay, take a round circular piece of paper, cardboard. On one side draw cage, on another side draw bird. Okay, and then rotate it. What you will find? You will find the bird inside the cage. Okay, this happens due to persistence of vision. Fine. Okay, now we should know what is our normal vision, what are different defects of vision. So this we will talk about our normal vision, that we can see distance and nearby objects through the eyes. Okay, and normal eyes are comfortable to see an object at the distance of 25 centimeters. Okay, but with age it decreases, but the normal is 25 centimeters. What are different eye defects? There are two types of defects. Okay, hypermetropia and myopia. Hypermetropia is also known as far-sightedness. It is also known as far-sightedness. In this, people are able to see distant object, but they face problem in seeing nearby objects. Okay, in reading books. Okay, that can be corrected by using lenses, and it is generally happens in old age. The another is myopia. It is also known as nearsightedness. In this, people are able to see nearby objects, but they face difficulty in watching or seeing far objects. Okay, this can be also corrected by using lenses. One more is that with age, sometimes what happens, that the our eye lens becomes foggy. Okay, foggy or cloudy. This condition is called cataract, and it results in loss of vision. Okay, nowadays this defect can be rectified by removing foggy lenses with artificial lenses. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.